Hey guys, Carlos here. Welcome to New Main's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you along on how to create a t-shirt using t-shirt. Hey guys, Carlos here. Carlos here with New Main. Today I'm going to take you along on a video on how to create a t-shirt using vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and a heat press. All right. Now here I got the mock-up, the customer approved. So what I'm going to do is take this off, copy, paste. No, I just released this here. Okay. Sorry, that was my first time using the mock-up feature there. So it got stuck. Okay. So that's how they want it to look. Alright, now I'm gonna make it black. For video's sake, we'll just expand it. And here, what you're gonna do is make sure that you unite everything, okay? This is very important with vinyl. See, I'm gonna undo it. These little lines here, if you don't unite that, then it'll mess up your vinyl when you're printing your vinyl. All those little cuts that make the letter will actually show up in your design. So the next thing that we're gonna do is take the sweater, I'm gonna lay it down and take my measurements. So in order for it to look like the mock-up, I'm gonna have to go 10 inches wide, and it should be about, I'll probably do it like seven inches altogether tall. So let's see, let's go 10 inches wide. Yep, okay, so it's perfect. It's 10 by 7 here on my program. All right, measure. All right, so your next step is actually loading up your vinyl. I'll turn on my vinyl cutter here. I have the Roland GS24. Very good machine, high budget. I've had it for a few years now. For some of you who don't know, I used to be in the mall. That's why I have all this like high-end equipment. Okay. Now that that's loaded up and set up, now that we have it sized, it's 10 by 7. I already have my Roland CutStudio installed, and I have it on automatic mirror. So now, if you don't have Adobe Illustrator and you don't have Roland CutStudio, what you want to do is make sure that you flip this flower thing right there. You have to make sure you flip it, okay? But I don't need to flip it because I have my preview here to show me it's going to come out flipped. So if you have CutStudio, you just press output paths, and it should automatically go down here, and you hit cut. And now your vinyl's cutting. I'm gonna unset this up, menu, enter, take it on. And we're gonna cut right above the design. Just like that. The step before the final is you actually gotta peel your vinyl now. I use my hands. Been doing it for such a long time. Some of you might need like tweezers or whatever. Another tip and trick is if you put it under the heat, it actually softens your vinyl. Makes it easier to peel it. All this extra stuff off, and what I like to do is cut it into like a nice rectangle shape so you can see and make sure that you're placing it on that shape. Right. Now the key when you're pressing hoodies key to pressing hoodies, you always want to make sure that the hood is off at the press. And now we get the inserted. Go ahead and make sure everything is aligned center. 3 fingers on each side is right in the middle between the arms, between the shoulders, so that the flower is right in between there. Now you just press it here for my vinyl. I press at 350 for 20 seconds. Now this vinyl is a cold peel. Sometimes the colors, you gotta peel them cold. It just depends where you're getting the vinyl from. Some batches are good, some are not. But sometimes you just gotta wait. Now let's cool off, it peels right off. Let's hit it again with Teflon. And this just makes sure it's nice and pressed and settled into your garment. It's all set. How cool that came out, nice and neat. Customer is going to be very happy with that. Yes guys, that's it. That's how you create a t-shirt with vinyl and a heat press. Heat transfer vinyl and a heat press. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you for tuning in. As always, God bless.